Most people get this wrong when trying to delete their Fetch Rewards account. They spend several minutes searching through the app settings, expecting to find a big delete account button, but they can't find it anywhere. Here's the truth no one tells you. Account deletion is usually straightforward once you know where to look, but there are a few important things you should do before removing your account permanently. In this video, I'll show you how to delete your Fetch Rewards account in 2026, what happens before deletion, and the biggest mistakes you need to avoid. Let's get straight into it. Before deleting your account, check your current points balance. This is extremely important, because account deletion may permanently remove access to your rewards, points, and account history. For example, Alex decides to delete his account immediately. Before doing so, he notices he still has enough points available for a reward redemption. Taking a few minutes to review his balance helps him avoid losing value he already earned. Now here's where it gets interesting. Many users focus only on deleting the account, and forget about the information connected to it. Take a moment to review any important details, reward history, or account information you may want to keep for your records. Once you're ready, open the Fetch Rewards app, and navigate to the Account or Profile section. Depending on the current version of the app, account management options are typically located within account settings or support-related sections. But here's the problem. This is where most people fail. They assume uninstalling the app automatically deletes their account. It doesn't. Removing the app from your phone usually only removes the application itself. Your account may still exist unless you complete the account deletion process through the proper settings or support channels. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to avoid delays. If you don't see a direct account deletion option, check the app's Help, Support, or Account Management area. Many platforms provide instructions or account deletion requests through customer support systems. For example, John couldn't find the deletion option at first. Instead of repeatedly reinstalling the app, he checked the support section and followed the account management instructions provided there. Now here's where it gets even more important. Before submitting any deletion request, carefully review any confirmation messages. Account deletion is often permanent, and recovering your account afterward may not be possible. This is why it's smart to verify that you've redeemed any rewards you want, saved any information you need, and fully understand the consequences before confirming the request. The easiest approach is simple. Review your balance, redeem any remaining rewards, locate the account management options, and carefully follow the deletion instructions provided by the platform. Let's quickly recap. Check your points balance, redeem any rewards you want to keep, visit your account settings or support section, follow the account deletion process, and read all confirmation messages carefully before proceeding. That's how to delete a Fetch Rewards account in 2026. If this guide helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more app tutorials and tech guides, and let us know in the comments if you found the account deletion option easily or had to use support.